That's right, you guys. Today we are about to unbox the brand new Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for the masses. At first, we only saw this keyboard available with the brand new iMac, which was fly, and it was dope. But now anybody can get it if you have an M1 computer. Again, I repeat, anybody with an M1 computer can get this here. Well, let me open it up and show you what you can get. Wait, no pull tab? Oh, Apple is slacking, player. Oh man, this is not the same unboxing experience. Let me get my unboxing knife. I can't believe Apple. Tim! Oh, I'm calling Tim after this. All right, back with the unboxing knife. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm kind of disappointed at Apple for not giving me an Apple-ish unboxing. You usually don't need a knife when you get an Apple product. You usually can just, but hey, it is what it is. Boom! Typical Apple delivery. Special delivery. This is such a small little box. Such a big box for such a small box. All right, get that one up over here. Bam, there it is. Oh, get that out the way. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. We got a tab right here. No, that's not the tab. Okay. We don't have a tab on this. This is just straight plastic. Yo, Tim Apple, you slacking, player. You getting real regular. This is not an Apple experience for unboxing. Give me a second. Tim Apple don't want to get pull tabs. What's poppin', player? Boom. Now I know you guys probably gonna be like, what? You probably saw this already with the iMac, but this ain't the same. You know what I'm saying? It's the same, but it ain't the same. It's not the same color. Unfortunately, the downside is we don't get the color options that we got with the iMac. Not for the public, not for the masses, and no space gray. What's up, Apple? Come on. If there was a space gray, I didn't see it and I made a mistake. But all I saw was the silver. Booyah. It's nice. I love this. Oh, and it comes with the braided cable. Yo. Okay. As you can see, that nice braided white cable. Ooh, there we are, bam. Here we go. Boom. The star of the show is that right there. Wait, can we get it to focus? That Touch ID. Hello, Touch ID, player. So, basically, this gives me Touch ID on my Mac Mini or my M1 MacBook Pro when it's closed and I'm using it. Now, you can get it with the M1 MacBook Air in the same way and use it. I think it's a great option to have. Touch ID. It's so smooth, boop, and secure. So secure yourself, player. Now I'm gonna go use this, and I don't really have to tell you guys much other than the fact that this is dope. Thank you for coming to watch me unbox it the way I do. And I gotta call Tim Apple because the player didn't give us no colors, and that's unacceptable. Hold up, player. Hello, Tim Apple. Don't say who this. You ain't stored my number yet? Well, bro, I call you all the time. I thought we was cool like that. I got yours in mine. Oh, you ain't storing me now. Okay, I see how it is. I was just unboxing the Touch ID keyboard that y'all just gave to the people, to the masses, you know what I'm saying? My one complaint, the box, I didn't have no pull tab. My second complaint, on the keyboard box, no pull tab. But my true complaint, I'm trolling, let me be real. Honestly, no space gray, no gold. We should at least got the ones that you can buy for the iMac for the people. I like to express myself too. You know what I'm saying, player? Hello? Tim. Man, you gotta stop hanging up on me like that, man. This is a bad... You're making me look bad out here, Tim. All right, player, get your Touch ID.
I put in work, I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like, whoa. Bags under my eyes and won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around.